This video, I want to share with you how to send emails with attachment and receive emails with attachment on Yahoo Mail. Okay, so all you need to do is to start by opening your Yahoo Mail to be at the inbox. Okay, so here you are, Yahoo Mail and the inbox. So you can write a new message to send a given attachment. So let's say we are composing a new message and this is to whom. So let's say we are sending it to my Gmail. Okay, so let's say we are sending it to Epic Mentorship 1. Okay, sending it to my Gmail, and we'll put the title documents. So we can just put the content. Hi, find attach. Thank you. So we can put the attachment, and to put the attachment, all you need to do is to come down to this attachment over here. You click on it. So you can attach documents from 4 different sources. So share files from Google Drive. If you have some files from Google Drive, you can easily share them over here. So you have to log in, connect your Google Drive to this. So you just have to log in to your Google Drive. For example, which account? Maybe let's say I'm using this account, and you can say allow, and then you check in. So now you have your Google Drive. Okay, so let's say this PowerPoint templates, and you have attached it over here. So you can see the link, you have just attached it. And the second attachment method is you can share from Dropbox. If you have a Dropbox account and you stored some files over there, you can just click to navigate there and then select that particular file, and then you share. And then you can share from recent emails. Maybe you have sent an email recently and the content of it contains some attachment, you can easily share. Okay, so let's check from recent emails and then see if any one of them, like this one, we have some, and this one contains an image. Okay, so we just select this image, and automatically it's going to attach it to the, or we just select this this my CV. Let's say we select this CV and then we close. So you can see it has just attached it over here. The image also had been attached over here. So you can come back again and see now the last form of attachment is you can attach from this computer. So within the computer or from a drive that is attached to this computer. So you can just navigate around accordingly. So for example, let's say we come to this place and we want to bring in a document. Let's say we want to put in report of this guy from, okay, so let's say we want to put in this judge's certification of eligibility. So we'll select it and click on open, and it has attached it to this directly. Okay, so you can preview by just clicking to see the how it looks, whether it has taken it correctly or not, and you can download also from here. Right, so once you finish, you put in the email, you put in the subject, you put in the content, and you attach the document link in cases of Google Drive and maybe other drive as well. Right, maybe you have Mega account and you've attached something, maybe you've just generated the link, you can paste it over here also. And once you're done with everything, you can just click on send and it will send it immediately. So once it's sent, so let's try to check on the Google account. So let's say we check on Gmail and see if we have just received a message. Okay, you can see we have just received a message from Engineer Abdurrashid. Okay, document, hi, this is an attachment. So once you click on it, it's going to give you that attachment that we just shown the last time. So you can see you can easily get to that link, and once you're here, you can download it very easily. This is just a preview of it on Google Slides. Okay, so let's try to download. If you want to download this, you can just come over here and just click on download, and you download it. Okay, same thing goes to this other document. Once you click on this, you can, if you want to download this, you just click on this to download. Also here you click to download, and you can see it has just downloaded. This one, if you want to, the link is for you to access it online, so you can see you have accessed it very easily. And if you want to download this as well, you just come over to this file over here, and then you can come to download over here. So you can download it as a PowerPoint. Once you download it, it's going to be on your computer as a PowerPoint, and once you open it, you can open it as a PowerPoint as well. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit on how to send and receive an email from Yahoo with attachment and to be able to download the attachment and view it on your computer as well. Okay, so if you like this video or you enjoy it or you learn something in any way, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.